Hi everyone, welcome to the Farm Animals. What's your name? My name is Ngọc Anh. How old are you? I'm 4 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. Okay, let's take a look. What animal is this? Cat. What animal is this? Yes. What animal is it? Very good. What animal is this? Yeah, that's right. What animal is it? Very good. What animal is this? What animal is it? Yes, that's right. What animal is it? Very good. Next one. What animal is it? Good job. And the last one. What animal is it? Yes. Let's take a look. Cat. Horse. Donkey. Pig. Sheep. Cow. Duck. Dog. Chicken. Turkey. Okay? How many animals? How many animals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many ducks? How many ducks? 1, 2, 3. 3 ducks. Okay? Very good. See you later. Goodbye.